Okay, so Surbhi is with us. Surbhi started her career in 2012 with Perfect Relations, and she has an experience of working with both the private and the public sector. She's after Perfect Relations, she shifted to Bingo PR, and she's also worked with the government, Punjab government, right, as a media manager for at least 2 years.
3 years.
For 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay, and then she again another government PR into the CITCO, Chandigarh, right?
Chandigarh administration for 2 years. Yeah.
For 2 years another. And now she's going to join the core corporate communications team, right? So for the vocal, So we welcome Surbhi. It's going
Thank you, ma'am.
You have a vast experience of working with the public and the private sector.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a kind words, though. I would just want to ask, shall we make it interactive, or I'll just shoot up with my experience?
No, let's make it interactive. Let's make it interactive. Students would be all, they would love interaction rather than hearing like one way of communication.
Yeah, for sure. That's why I get to know that how the students are thinking that, how the government is working in public relations too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I'll start in 2016. I started my work with the government of Punjab, DPR Punjab, as a media manager, and that was a peak time when the election was one again held for that session, right? So I joined at that time, and I was very new to the government, just because to the government sector as well. So I don't know the other jargons, the deputy commissioners, the secretaries. You have the director, deputy director. So it takes you approximately 6 months, but I didn't have the 6 months to understand the hierarchy of it. So it was very abruptly shoot up on my face, you are in the government sector and you need to work. So I was like, okay. So I thought that it would be the same in the corporate and the government, but there's a lot of difference in that though. So first, I really want to ask that what do you think that how the government is working either in Chandigarh, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal, how the Department of Public Relations is really working there?
Okay. Yeah. I'm sure the students might not be very, absolute or accurate, but at least some answers, yes.
Yeah, definitely. How they think.
So how do you feel students, like somebody, I think there are a few students who have already worked or done their interns. So let's make it interactive. Yeah, Ankita, go ahead.
Ma'am, the public relations department, I pretty much think it is active. I don't know, for some reason, because Chandigarh is a city itself, that really keeps up with the trend quite quickly. So I don't have any in-depth knowledge, but what appears to be, it is like it's quick, and it really keeps up.
Okay. First, when you think that you need to join, and if you're joining any kind of a DPR department, either it's a Haryana, Punjab or Chandigarh administration, you need to be very clear that you're working for the government, not for a political party. That one thing has to be very clear with you, right? For example, if I am working for government of Punjab as a media manager, no doubt the political party who is heading towards me, that is led by the SAD and BJP, right? But I will follow the government of Punjab or the government rules regarding the public relations, not what the political party will tell me, right? For example, if the election time is going on right now, right? And we are making any kind of media campaigns. So if the political party, those who are heading right now the government, that is your Congress, right? Captain the Sarkar CGJD, right? So Captain the Sarkar agar mujhe ye bolti hai, we need a campaign like, agli bari fair Captain the Sarkar, we need such kind of an advertisement and such kind of a PR we want for us. We can't do that when we are working in the government of Punjab. We'll say, okay, the Punjab government led by Charanjit Singh Channi or the Punjab government led by Captain Amrinder Singh, the CM. Not like only we are concentrating on the Amrinder and the Charanjit Channi just because we are working for government of Punjab. It has to be very clear to you guys, right? Apart from that, if I talk about social acceptance right now, all the social media handles they have in government, either it's Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana region. Right now I'm talking about, from last 2 years they have been very actively participating, just because you have the pandemic and you're not getting the newspapers. Some people are not able to read the e-papers as well, just because they have subscriptions and everything, right? So what they have done, they are very actively participating in Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter is for some people, right? So these are the platforms where they are right now very active. And when I say that you're working for government of Punjab, you need to be clear that the government of Punjab led by right now Congress, right? The government of Haryana led by the BJP. And if I talk about Chandigarh administration, that is led by the center government right now, which is headed by the governor of Punjab, right? So these are some of the few specifications. You guys need to be very clear about it. First. Secondly, what do you guys think, that is it a kind of a 9 to 5 job, or it goes on shifts in government sector?
Yeah. What do you think, students? Because it's yeah, Varun, let's go ahead.
Yeah, good afternoon, Surbhi ma'am. So I would say, like, especially when you're working with the government, I don't think it's a typical 9 to 5 job, because, from my point of view, keeping governments in mind, I think scandals can break it at any time, right? So, you should be available overnight or whenever they need you.
Definitely. So I will comment on that any government job, any means any, if you are not in the DPR, you are a collector, you are a clerk, you are an assistant manager, anything you are in a government sector, either in a center or a government, in a state, you have to be available 24/7, right? If your boss, your commanding boss is calling you, that is your head is calling you for some work, you have to be there. So right now the scenario is, and it was earlier as well, but the competition in government wasn't that much, right? So if you're talking about the government right now, you have to be available 24/7, either online on calls, any of the respective job. So don't think that if you are in a government job, it has to be 9 to 5 job. If you are with some of the ministers, if you are with some of the advisor or something like that, you are going to report to that. No, you have your bureaucrats people as well to whom you have to report. Again, the bureaucrats and the political party, you have to manage it. A. B, when I talk about government, the government, what they do, they publicize the policies, the schemes, everything regarding the government in the public, right? So how well they are managing, I mean, through advertising, if I say, or through the media campaigns, how well they are managing to make people understand that they are aware of all the schemes and they're happy about it.
Okay. Yeah. Who's going to answer that? Anyone who's been studying PR, at least, whether right or wrong, irrespective, I think you should answer it.
Are they reading newspapers?
We do have press. I do see, like, in our newspapers, especially, there's always this, there are always these newspaper articles, or these photographs telling how is this scheme helping, and with the photos of Amrinder Singh or Manohar Lal Khattar in Haryana. So I usually see it, in the form of newspapers, or फिर radio ad भी मतलब बहुत बार मैंने ऐसा radio ads, maybe it's very much prevalent, right? So yeah, I think they really are using, other old means to reach the 3-tier and the 3rd-tier and 4th-tier areas too.
So I just want to ask that either the radio or the print advertisement is more effective to you guys to learn about it, the schemes and policies.
Yes, I think, because definitely we are the students of media. GK is our subject. So, of course, by hook or by crook, we have to open the newspaper and we see it. Radio is personally, I don't think so. Radio that is prevalent to people of youth, because हम लोग कार में लगा बैठते हैं तो हम अपना music system लगाते हैं rather than radio. But for educated people who really sit and study the newspaper, they will go through the ad or the press release.
Yeah, so, we also have Akshara to answer your question, Surbhi.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
And students, just make it a point when you're interacting. It's always important to have an identity. I know you students don't prefer switching on their cameras, But it's always important to have your identity with the guest speaker, one who's interacting. It's very difficult. Am I right? Should be, it's very difficult to
definitely, ma'am. Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, Akshara, go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Like you asked the question ki PR kahan pe zyada effective rahega. So I think it depends on the target audience. If the if the ad or the scheme is related to the rural is targeting upon the rural area people, they prefer listening to radios. For example, if there are Punjab farmers, so they prefer radios while they are working, right? While they are eating their food. So in radio ads work for them, and in case this the schemes are based upon something like students वगैरह के लिए, तो फिर वो print ad भी work कर जाएगी और television ad भी वहाँ पर work कर जाएगी. So it depends upon the medium, and also there are news agencies like PIB वगैरह पे भी हम बात कर सकते हैं कि direct PR और जो press release होती है वो वहाँ पर भी जाती है. तो वो educated मतलब people या जो भी prefer करते हैं कि हाँ जिनको पता है कि news agencies क्या होती है, तो वहाँ पर वो टारगेट ऑडियंस वहां पे टैप हो जाएगी. सो हर एक प्लेटफॉर्म की अपनी टारगेट ऑडियंस है, तो पीआर का काम अलग अलग जगह पे इस हिसाब से डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है.
Okay, so thank you, Akshara, for telling your views about that.
One more question. Ajay sir, would you like also to say something and contribute?
Hanji, yes, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, so
Ma'am, I'm speaking from home only today for a change. So I just wanted to, Hanji, ma'am, basically just wanted to ask, I think I wanted to respond to this original question regarding the, PR ka the best medium to basically. I would say that the audience dictates the medium, ma'am, and so many of us, listen to radio like we have the community radio functioning here. So again, ma'am, similarly, apparently its reach is very, adjacent to the Chitkara University and the areas, but notwithstanding that, there is a, internet availability as well through that Hindi radios app. So I would say, ma'am, anyone who's keen to listen to the radio will surely want to do so as well. Likewise for the print ads. And secondly, ma'am, the government's, I have served the government for about 30 odd years now. I feel the government's campaigns are usually are meant to reach literally the last man, last person on the ground, ma'am, not just only the educated elite or maybe someone who's a student. Yeah. So, ma'am, the government per se would be definitely keen for its policies to be known literally to the last person, last this thing, so as to be not just only for the obvious things that is, to highlight themselves, but also to let the poorer people or the backward people or those whom the schemes are actually meant for, to actually hit them in the right notes, or let them be prepared for that, ma'am, or actually make full utilization of them rather than depending on middlemen or, half-baked information from left or right.
For sure. If I talk about one scheme that has been launched by Charanjit Singh Channi, the current CM right now, that is Mera Ghar Meri something. That is regarding which has come under your Lal Dora scheme. So that Mera Ghar Mere Naam, exactly. He has launched that scheme in I guess after last 2 days, before last 2 days, right? So in that you need to make people aware of that. So the latest trend, what I have followed, where you find Punjab people these days, you find Punjab people these days on Facebook, majorly, right? So all your press conferences, what they want to talk about their schemes and anything, right? They first gonna shoot on the press conferences live on Facebook to reach out the audience. Either that's a farmer, either that's a youth, either any of the middleman person. They are reaching to them regarding the social media tools, using them, right? And the second day, same thing has come up with a press release or an advertisement, like for the betterment for the people of Punjab, the government of Punjab has come with this scheme, right? So the government is running with the time as well. They are not keeping it like, okay, we have announced this today, so let the people know about it tomorrow. Either they are going live themselves or through the medium of government, they're doing it really with the time, and they are not wasting each and every second of it right now, just because you can say it's election time, or you want to reach the people of Punjab on the time, right? On the time basis, just because in a fraction of seconds, everything and anything happened right now in India and Punjab, anywhere is happening, right? So you need to make sure if somebody is saying that, if I talk about app, they are saying, my agenda for doing something in Punjab is this, right? So give us one chance. So in the next 10 minutes, the SAD, your party, Shrimani Akali Dal party will say, right, okay, our agenda for is this as well, give us a chance. So both of them says the same thing and reaching on the same time to the people through social media. So in government, the social media is running really fast right now. Apart from that, any other question, and then I'll move next. Let me know, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyone else who would like to have a question related to what is being talked about Surbhi right now? Right? Okay, Surbhi, we can go ahead.
Okay, so there are difference of departments and branches in government which takes care of different things, right? You have an advertisement branch, you have a press branch, you have a media branch, you have your production branch, right? You have a social media branch. Each of one handles their work, but they are in sync for work as well, right? So for example, if I have to get some advertisement done, right, I will ask the media person or the PR people, the APROs and the PROs, the assistant public relations officer and the public relations officers, those who are attached with the ministers, right? That, okay, today I am going to shoot up this advertisement as per the instructions of this officer. I need a data, right? So that specific person will, go to that specific department, APRO and PRO, and get me the required data which has been approved by the department, which has been approved by the senior official, right? When you are in government, you have to be very careful with your words, with your figures, with any of a picture you are using, right? Anything and everything, you have to be very careful. I'll give you one example of mine. I did a very good blunder in government, and that was a learning for me, right? After 1.5 years of my working with government of Punjab, when the election has just gone, right, and then Captain the Sarkar came, so they gave me that advertisement department to head, and they told me, okay, whatever advertisement will go, you will be responsible. You have to get it approved from the media advisor, right, to the CM, and from the secretary principal of CM as well. So one is a bureaucrat, other is a political one, right? And I am the intermediator between them to get anything approved. Either it's an advertisement, either it's a brochure, either of a leaflet, anything that has to go in the media or to the people, it has to go after the approval of both of them through me, via me, right? So one of the advertisement has to go there, and there was a, I guess, Buddha Ji ki anniversary thi, right? So we shoot up that advertisement that day, right? And that early morning at 5, I got a call from the Hindu journalist that, ma'am, is it your advertisement? So I was like, yes, it is. Please tell me, how can I help you? So they said, you know what, this is not Buddha Ji. So I was like, no, it is Buddha Ji, because you can't relate some of the pictures, available on internet, that either it's because we are the sculpture only, right? So I was like, no, this is the approved one and this is the Buddha Ji. We have got it approved from the advisor of the CM and the secretary principal of CM, right? So this is Buddha Ji. So they were like, no, it is not. So he sent me a link, and that one is a picture, the sculpture in a Singapore, right? And that wasn't the sculpture of a Buddha Ji. And the very few seconds, all over the internet was like, they have made a blunder. They have just played with this, the emotions of the people of this community and such and such thing. And I got a call, you're going to get fired now for this. So I have to save myself, I know I did it. So I called my boss and I was like, oh, they said, okay, did you know about it? I was like, no, I didn't know about it. Okay. So I said, yes, I am sorry. It was a blunder either from my side as well and the advertising agency, those who have given me, right? So they said, it's okay, we'll just work it out something. We just get to know that, how to go about it. So I called somebody in Chandigarh, there are Buddha community people there, right? So I called the head of them. I just said, how you differentiate between Buddha Ji and in the picture, the sculpture there in Singapore, just let me know. How you make a differentiate about it. So that I can be justifying myself as well when they ask me. So they like, I'll tell you in Hindi, they say, हमारे पास ऐसी कोई पिक्चर नहीं है बुद्धा जी की, राइट? हम वर्शिप करते हैं मूर्ति को जो हमारे अंदर है, ठीक है? I send them a picture. I was like, I have used this. Is it correct? कहते आप कर सकते हैं, कहते उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है अगर आप इन्हें यूज भी कर लेते हैं. It's just your is just a picture, right? But what you want to convey to the people, that what matters. So I was like, will you give me that in written if I want it? Yet you don't have any issue with that, right? So just because if the Captain Sarkar is there, the sad BJP or the AAP people will obviously counter with that. Whosoever it does that, you have to just chuck out them from the job and everything. You don't know about the community, you don't know about the religion, you don't know anything about it. So anything can be happen. So they have given me in written, the head of such and such community doesn't have a problem with this picture, right? Although it was a blunder from my side as well. I told my bosses that I had a word with the community people, and they said they don't have a problem with that, just because we have made that culture, and it's okay if you have that hat on it or you have a chhatri on that, it's okay, right? So this is how you learn, right? So after that, any advertisement has gone, we have got it approved from such and such community that the picture is okay. Okay, you like the content, any of the content is going for the Shivji or any of the Sikh religion, we have to get it approved. So this is how you learn, right? You make blunders, you learn from it, but you know how to stand with your blunders as well, and you accept it as well, right? So when you work, then only you mistake. Either if you're not making any kind of a mistake, you're not working. Then what I have learned. So just accept your mistakes. Of course, I did a mistake. It was a blunder, right? I have learned from it. I won't do it again. I know how to go about it, but at least I am working, right? So this is my approach. If you're working, you're making mistake, you're learning and you're accepting it, and you're reaching higher, right? If you're not working, you're not making mistake, then you are just sitting and you're just making money and you're just spending on yourself. That's it. Anything else?
Thanks, very well said.
No, I still think about it. That was a bad day.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
No?
Yeah, Harshjot wants to say something. Harshjot? Please
Uh,
have an identity, Harshjot.
Ma'am, my actually camera is on. You can see me?
No, we can't.
No, Harshjot.
Yeah, Harshjot.
Hello, ma'am. You have shared a lot of things with us. So my question to you is, how do you avoid making mistakes, and what are the most important skills that you think that yes, ये तो बंदे में होना चाहिए?
Can you just repeat it again? Harshjot?
Surbhi, she's saying, how do you avoid making mistakes? And what are the 3 things that a person should have, right, Harshjot, to sustain in PR?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, first is the knowledge for which government you're working, right? And how you avoid mistakes, it comes with learning, dear, to be very honest, right? It's not like that by today itself I make a lot of mistakes as well. But yes, it's not that much higher and controversial the way it was earlier. And I'll say, if you have any kind of a doubt, you can go to your immediate senior officials, your reporting officer, right, in public relations department, that I am a Hindu, right? I was working for government of Punjab. So if somebody is telling me, you don't know anything about Sikhism, it's not like that. I am very clear about one thing, and I've told them very adamantly, I know Punjabi really well. I can speak, write, read, right? And they were very surprised when I told them that I can read as well. They have given me one, what we say, parcha in Punjabi, and they told me, okay, just read it and just make a content of it and just shoot it up in the social media. And I said, okay. And they looked at me and they were like, do you know how to read Punjabi? I was like, definitely I know. It's just that if I don't speak Punjabi, it doesn't mean that, you can't judge people through their community, through their religion. And it's everywhere. It's everywhere though. So I told them, okay, I know Punjabi. I can read Punjabi. I can write Punjabi as well. It's just I can't type Punjabi. Nowadays, I can type Punjabi as well. What I have learned in government of Punjab, typing Punjabi. I have people around me who were the translators sitting with me, right? So I told them, whenever you get time, just tell me some keywords so that I can start typing Punjabi as well. I have learned that. I never stop my learning for that, right? So you have to be very strong, but you don't have to be adamant, right? You just have to be strong, and you just tell them, okay, I'm not from this community, but I think when I'm going to write something about this community, I might research 10,000 times about it, right? Apart from you, just because you know that you are from this community, you know really well about it. It's nothing like that. If I'm not from the community, or if I am from the community, but I am accountable for that thing, I'm researching well, I am making sure that I'm questioning my office official. Like if I have some doubt, my official is secretary principal to CM, so I'm just telling them, sir, I have a doubt. Clearly, just ask your doubt, no matter how stupid, how vague it is, right? It doesn't matter. Just make sure that you have put your query and you're getting it clarified from the person, the official of yours, so that he shall know that you are very accountable for your work as well, and you have to be very headstrong for that too.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Varun wants to say or ask something. Varun, please have an identity if you can.
Right. I hope you guys can see me.
Yeah.
Right. So first of all, it's amazing to actually have actually talk to someone who has actually worked for the government, right, ma'am? So I just want to ask this. I think working in a government, it sometimes can get controversial. So like when you started the session, you said that working as a public relations officer for the government, you should be very clear that you're working for the government and not the political party.
Definitely.
So ma'am, don't you think there's a very thin line, when it comes to actually bifurcating on that basis?
It is. That is what I'm saying. The first day, the first week of my job, right, in the government of Punjab, I wasn't aware of the fact that I am working for a government, not for a political party. The supporting officer of mine have made it very clear to me although earlier. So the one content what they have asked me to make, that was time it was Akali Dal Sarkar, right? So they have told me very accurately, and they've called me to the CM office and they told me, okay, you have to make a slogan jisme hamara Akaliyan Dal Sarkar, matlab it has to be highlighted, right? I was like, okay, I don't mind. So it has to be on the banner, on the roads, on your radio jingles, on your advertisement, everywhere it has to be Akaliyan Dal Sarkar. So I have made the content accountable to Akaliyan Dal Sarkar, right? So the good thing is that first I need to write the content, I keep it with me, I read it, and then I take it up to my secretary principal to CM, the bureaucrat, the government official, right? So this was the brief, and I have made it. He looked at me, I was like, you never worked in government sector? I was like, no, this is my first job. So he said, okay, sit. Now first you need a counseling. So you never say that, you Akaliyan Dal Sarkar or Captain Di Sarkar or any of the Sarkar. You say that the Punjab government is led by such Sarkar, right? So right now what they're using, that Punjab government led by Charanjit Singh Channi, that is the CM right now, right? We never use any Sarkar name in that. So it is very clear about the fact. Yes, there is a thin line. Just because now in December there is a code of conduct going to be get here, and the government officials are not going to work. To be very honest, right? I give you my personal experience in that the government officials still work. Right after the code of conduct, if somebody from the CM office will call me and say, such and such person of social media team from CM office is calling you. I went. Right in December 2016, I went, and they were like, okay, now you're free for 3 months in Punjab government. So do one thing. Now you work for us. You're getting paid from government, but you're going to work for us for the political campaign. I can't say no, because the current government, obviously, he's still the CM right now. Although I don't know what happened after 3 months, but he's still the CM. I can't say no. I said, sir, let me just talk to my official. Right? I can't take it. I need something in written, right? Obviously, sometimes happens that you don't have any orders or something like that, but one keyword is in written. Either it's a mail order or something. सरकार में अगर पास आपके पास order नहीं है ना, written में कुछ काम करने का, either you are not accountable or you are not justifying your job, right? So I told them, sir, I need something in written. So I'll just go and check with my official that if they'll give me the orders in written that, for such and such period, you just go and work with the CM office team. That's a political one, right? So That's how I manage. What my official did, they took me out of the Government of Punjab DPR and they just sent me to the Election Commission office for next 6 months. You know, that if they want me, so we'll say, okay, the Election Commission office have asked some such person and he's there. So the bureaucrats know how to handle things. You just have to be true with the supporting person and officials, the reporting one actually. Either it's a political or the bureaucrat, but you have to be very smart and you learn with it that only.
Right. So, ma'am, what do you actually do? Like, for example, if there's a deadlock between the government and the political party when it comes to specifically public relations.
It happens. It happens a lot of time. I'll give you one more example of it. Guru Gobind Singh Ji ke 550th Varigant hoye sige pure, right? I hope everyone understands Punjabi as well. It's a multilingual language platform. So that was the 550th, the yearly celebration was going on, right? And there was one huge campaign going on where, CM is going and every political person was reaching the first day of it when the yearly campaign has started, right? So, and I was like, okay, for 3 days I have an off just because none of them are in Chandigarh, so I have an off. So they were there, and somebody, I don't know if you guys have gone through that news or not. That was a blunder, not from our side, but that was a blunder from the opposition side. What they did, the moment it started, the campaign on the ground, somewhere Sultanpur Lodi, so they managed the social media handles of there, and they run the news. The 550th Variganta mana rahe ne, but they don't know what is a picture of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. जेडी इन्होंने पिक्चर दिखाई है वो नेपोलियन दी हैगी है, गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी की तो है ही नहीं है, इन्होंने मॉर्फ किया है. I mean the face of Guru Gobind Singh Ji has been morphed on the Napoleon picture and they have played with it, right? So the Sarkar doesn't know about it. Again, it comes on me, right? Just because I was heading that campaign. So the media advisor of CM has just called me and he said, and I was sleeping. So I was just relaxing and he was like, tell me just tell me yes or no. I was like, what happened? You are not checking your phone. I was like, no, I'm not checking. I'm just relaxing. Check your phone and just tell me yes or no. I was like, okay. And there was a lot of news. Everyone is texting me. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? I was like, what is the hell is going on right now? So I said, no, you have to be true, right? I am not doing that work. I mean, the advertising and the PR agency, what we hired that time, they were doing that work, right? But I was coordinating with them. So I said no. So the media advisor again told me yes and no. Are you sure about it? I was like 110% sure. It not has been bought from us. It has bought. I mean, we bought that picture from a platform and it has been verified certificate with that too, right? So, all right, okay. So the tussle got the next day, the Varigant was has to be started with the picture. So the principal secretary of CM, the bureaucrat IS officer, right, said कि picture change कर दो. ये पिक्चर कंट्रोवर्शियल हो गई है, अब ये पिक्चर चेंज कर दो. मतलब अगर कल से हमारा ये चल रहा है कैंपेन, वी डोंट वांट दिस पिक्चर, वी वांट अ क्लियर पिक्चर जो हमारी शुरू से चल हमने यूज की है फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द कैंपेन, हम वो ही रखेंगे. सो दे वर इन अ टसल. दे टोल्ड मी ओके, सो वी जस्ट बी ऑन होल्ड, we'll tell you what to do for tomorrow's session. And they were like, we'll take a call and we'll let you know. I was like, okay, just let me know, right? So the bureaucrats were talking in that sense and the media advisor in talking in political sense. If they'll change the picture, they will say that we don't know anything. The bureaucrats were saying,
Surbhi,
Ma'am,
you have to unmute yourself, Surbhi. You're muted right now. Just unmute yourself. Done. Let's go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. So there was a tussle going on at 12 midnight. At 12 midnight that day, I was on a con call and the bureaucrat told me, change the picture. right? And the media advisor is saying till 12 midnight, and the media advisor is saying no, the picture won't get changed. And I was like, do whatever you want to take a call. I am just sitting behind. I was like, then they both say, okay, we are not coming to a conclusion, so you take a call. So I told them, sir, I am not a right person right now to take a call. Ask CM, sir. They can't say that, two of them are not coming to a conclusion to a CM, right? I was like, sir, the CM's call is the last call. Just ask them, whatever you guys say, I'll do that. Just because if something happens tomorrow, you'll say that, it's accountable to me. Say, no, whatever you want to say, you do that now. It was at 12 midnight and we were waiting for go ahead in social media, advertising everywhere. They were on a hold right now, 12 midnight. So I said, sir, ask CM, sir. You have to tackle them, no? I said, sir, I am not accountable. You just ask CM Saab. If they want, we'll get with that, right? So they got a pause for 10 minutes and they told me, what do you think about it? So I said very humbly, sir, my submission is, if you change the picture, if you trust me, I'm saying this picture is verified. I have bought this picture. I have the certificate, right? If you trust me, just go with this picture. Otherwise, the opposition will say that this either not this Sarkar, not the bureaucrats of this Sarkar knows about anything about this religion, right? So you have to be on your stand. I was like, okay, you want this picture? I was like, yes, I want this picture. Do that. So we went with that picture, and in such tussle, each day you have a tussle with them, with the bureaucrats, with the political party. Each day you have a tussle with them. You have to manage yourself. How when you have a relation with a bureaucrat and with a political person, it's on you, right? You not every time you can't say Hanji sir ho jayega. The second time you saying Hanji sir wo bhi ho jayega. No, you're just noting the point. Okay, sir, I have taken your point. I need to take a point for political side as well. I have both of the points with me. I was like, sir, my mid suggestion is this, right? Because none of them will accept the fact that I am accepting the fact of political party. I am accepting the fact of the government party, right? None of will accept the fact. So you have to come a midway conclusion for it, and it comes with the time. Thank you, Varun.
I just have one more question. Thank you so much for that information.
Varun will come back to you. Pehle Ankita.
Right. Okay. Fine.
Oh my God, ma'am. First of all, wow, your stories are so nice. And it's so really nice listening to you. You're such a bold person and very strong woman, I must say.
Ankita, that's not a story. When you come on board of a government and you get a call the next very morning at 4 a.m. that you just pull up yourself just because you're gonna get fired today for this thing. You just think that how to save yourself.
Wow, ma'am. But it's actually very, thrilling. And ma'am, one thing Government of Punjab, that's the handle of, the IG page, right? Ma'am, I was just going through it and, like Harro's, like every day it's having 3 posts, and although it has a good follower base of like 10,000 people, but,
right.
Still the engagement is like 100, which is pretty less, right?
I tell you what, Ankita.
After 6 October, it was not even active. So
I'll tell you what. Go to the official website of Government of Punjab, right? Yeah. I don't know which page you are right now on. There might be 3-4 pages of Government of Punjab, right? Government of Punjab official page, right? Scroll it. They have their handles there, right? Okay. So any of the press conferences live going on, to be very honest, it's going to be live on Facebook always, and on their websites, right? So every day, it's not about the post, it's about the live conferences, it's about the announcements. Anything they are doing, they're putting first thing on the Facebook, because one thing they have researched really well, what I did, and I told them, you know what, Punjab, the Punjab, ke pura Punjab, you'll find on Facebook, not on Twitter. Right? Just because Twitter is something, handled by media advisor to CM, those who want to make a news to, or, all the public internationally, they handle them, right? The farmers of Punjab, the youth of Punjab, the singers, lyricists, everyone, the layman of Punjab is on Facebook right now, right? So if you want to connect with them, connect with the Facebook as well. So just go through it once. They are really active right now.
Yeah, indeed they are, every day. And
so
right. So, okay, Facebook is the main game, and also, ma'am, I just wanted to ask something. I am not good at, and I'm someone who's more inclined to foreign languages, and and definitely someone striving for a career in social media itself. So, you are in government of Punjab. Is there social media opportunities in Ministry of External Affairs too?
Definitely.
They are, right?
You guys just have to explore it. And I tell you what, I was in government of Punjab for last 3 years, right? And the last job of mine was in a Chandigarh administration. You get a heck of it, coming from a state government, then working for a center government. There are two different things. Apart from that, center government mein Chandigarh is a UT, right?
Yeah.
Union territory. Okay. So in Union territory, when I talk about, I am like Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana and Punjab, right? But I have a governor of Punjab. There are three things handling us: center government, the Haryana government, the Punjab government, and Himachal governments want to get into their share as well in Chandigarh, right? So 3 and 4 government handling UT Chandigarh, right? And we are working for as a UT administration. It is very difficult just because you have municipal corporation person as a BJP, right? You have सरकार center की जो आपका चंडीगढ़ सारा जिनकी schemes चलती हैं, but the 60% of the share, मतलब जो गवर्नर ऑफ पंजाब है आपका, जो सारी अप्रूवल देता है चंडीगढ़ के, that is from पंजाब कांग्रेस सरकार, right? Yeah. So the difficult part when you're working in Chandigarh administration, state में तो आपको पता है, you're working for a government, you're working for government, okay, जो सरकार आएगी देखा जाएगा, right? But when you're working in Chandigarh administration, 3-4 states coming together and telling you what to do, that is a challenge for you. A. B, if you're talking about foreign languages, I would suggest people are heading towards the regional languages as well. There's a lot of options. If I talk about, people don't know about Punjabi, organic Punjabi, if I'm talking about, right? People don't know about Hindi. People don't know about Kannada. People don't know about Telugu. People don't know about Bengali as well, right? The regional languages are diminishing, honestly speaking, right? There's a lot of opportunities in foreign languages, a hell lot of opportunities in the regional languages as well, right? So start exploring them as well, just because why? Because in coming times, there's a need of regional languages too. That is a unity in diversity. So the unity in diversity of our languages, it makes us strong. And when you have the knowledge of your regional language, either it's Punjabi, Hindi, whatsoever, gets a hands on that first.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'll definitely search in the options for Ministry of External Affairs. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Akshara.
So ma'am, my question is, जब आपने कैरियर स्टार्ट किया होगा, तो उस वक्त तो आपको नहीं पता होगा कि हाँ मतलब पीआर में इतना कुछ होने वाला है, बट आप क्या चीजें काउंट करोगे कि व्हाट आर योर मेजर लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम जब आपने स्टार्ट किया था और अब तक की पीआर डिपार्टमेंट?
Okay, I'll start. See, I have started my work with the Perfect Relations as a corporate only, right? So I was handling Bharti Airtel, Coca-Cola India and everything, and I was an executive at that level of time at 2012, if I talk about, right? So my work is to doing client servicing and media handling part, right? I learned from them how to handle clients, how to make reports, and the media handle, right? After that, I went to Bingo and I started as a media. I learned there how to manage a team, right? Work I started with Perfect Relations, making reports, making relationship with media, and then writing. Okay, from Perfect. Going to Bingo, I started working as a team, right? Going back again to Government of Punjab, with the learning, you know how to make reports, you know how to make your press releases, but there's a difference in making corporate press releases and political press releases, government press releases, if I talk about, right? Either a scheme or something like that, anything, right? So you just know the template of making a press release. That is the same. First paragraph have to be 5 Ws and 1 H. Next has to be a brief of that, and so forth, right? About it. So you know the writing. Okay, you know how to manage your team. but you don't know how to take a stand for yourself that time. Just because the people are telling you, you're not from this religion, it's not from the office. I'm telling you from the media perspective as well, right? When you're talking to any of the Punjab media as well, they say, okay, your name is Surbhi, you might be Hindu. I was like, you can say that, but I'll say, okay, I'm an Indian. Tell me. So they're like, okay, you're not from this background. How are you going to tackle the government of Punjab because you're not from the community, right? So I said, it's not about that. If I'm from the community, then only I have a sense of how to work in Punjab. And for the Punjabi, is just the sense of responsibility and the hard work of yours make you how you work for the government of Punjab and for the people of Punjab, right? So there I have learned how to be vocal about your thoughts, how you want to be confident about your work. Because one thing is very clear, when you're working, काम करो पर डर के मत करो. अगर आप डर के काम करोगे तो गलतियां उससे भी ज्यादा होंगी. बट अगर आप काम कर रहे हो बिना डरे कर रहे हो उसके बाद गलती हो रही है ना, you know one thing very clear, that you have worked really hard for it, right? And you're not letting that work going hard.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm saying if you're working hard, your senior officials, it's the bureaucrats or the media advisor to CM, they'll always stand by your back. Always. Whenever I have made mistake, I have told them, okay, I have done it. The next, मतलब मुझे कभी उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला you're fired. उन्होंने हमेशा मुझे एक चीज बोली है that okay, we'll sort it out. Not a problem. So work hard.
Accountability is important, right?
Definitely.
Also, one thing, ma'am, like, don't you think Punjab में, like, this is काफी ज़्यादा जो मैं relate कर पाती हूँ, थोड़ा stereotype वाला चीज नहीं आ जाती पंजाब में. You have to be a Punjabi or be from Punjab.
No, it's not about Punjab. I am saying government of Punjab. It's about people. You know, any of XYZ person coming to meet me, either from newspaper or a marketing person. It's about the mindset, to be very honest, right? The same person is going to my official, oh, you have hired, a Hindu. So my official, the secretary to principal CM, right? He's telling the same person, you know what, मैंने उसको इसलिए hire नहीं किया कि वो हिंदू है या मुस्लिम है या सिख है. I have hired her just because I know that she is capable of doing work, right? I have passed exam. I did my written exam. I did the interview rounds, right? I have cleared all that with the bureaucrats. Then only I get hired in government of Punjab. It wasn't too easy to get into government of Punjab as well. And the day one of mine, and the secretary PR told me, you know what? There are 3 reasons we hired you. A, your honesty. B is your obviously the hard work and the background check we have done about you, right? And C, that you was the only person जिसकी सिफारिश नहीं थी. So I was like, are you serious? कहते definitely. So it's अगर सब यही सोचते हैं, actually when you want to get into the government PR or government sector, you need a सिफारिश. I think अभी तक जैसे मैंने government of Punjab में काम किया, चंडीगढ़ administration में काम किया, there was 0 सिफारिश. It was my work which spoken about me to the people and it has reached them. That's it. Guys, I think you might not be able to listen to me now.
Why?
Just give me a second, ma'am. I'm in a construction site. Just give me a minute.
Sure. And students, it is not important, though we have very interactive students. Ankita, Varun, Akshara, Ajay sir has been a very interactive throughout the sessions, I think, all the sessions. Maybe because they have this inquisitiveness to learn. But I think this is an open platform for anybody who wants to learn. So in case, then later on when you want to go for a government PR and how do we do internship there? So don't come up to me directly asking those questions. I'm just going to give you answers like कि तुमने सुरभि का session सुना था कि नहीं? So don't come to me for asking for मैम वहाँ पर लगाएं या ना लगाएं.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi Surbhi. Yeah, let's go ahead. So okay. Akshara, is your question answered, Akshara? Yeah. So Varun, we come back to you in case you still have your questions in mind.
I do. Actually, I'm joining from Tanishka's laptop because my phone got discharged.
Sure.
Right. So let me Yeah, so it's working. Yeah. So Ma'am, I wanted to ask something. So talking to Akshara about, shifting from a state government to a union territory territory that comes under the central government. So again, you were talking about, working through a time when elections were just on the state of Punjab. So ma'am, when a state government changes from, one side of the political spectrum to another. So say shift from a leftist government to a right-wing government. The officers also change. So how does it, how do you adjust to that? Because their working is going to be very different from a government that is probably of the left side or the right side.
Exactly. So I'll say the working is definitely going to be different, right? But you have your officials, those who are working with you in the previous government as well and this government as well, right? So the bureaucrats, if I talk about, they change as well, right? They are shifted. I mean, if honestly speaking, the moment if the चन्नी की सरकार आई है, सारे ब्यूरोक्रेट्स चेंज हुए हैं, राइट? अमरिंदर की सरकार आएगी या आपकी सरकार आएगी, सारे ब्यूरोक्रेट्स चेंज होंगे, राइट? बट ब्यूरोक्रेट सिर्फ आईएएस लेवल के लोग चेंज होते हैं. Okay, apart from that, if you have your director level people or you have deputy directors, you have joint directors, वो वहीं पे रहते हैं. Okay, these are like stump of your department, pillars of your department. Okay, वो यहीं रहेंगे, हम भी यहीं रहेंगे. So the new government, when they'll come, they definitely gonna meet these officials, right? Okay, you was handling this, you was handling this, and you know what? I started my work with the Kalis. Okay. अकालियों का ये होता था कि at 12 midnight they calling me and say come back to office, we have to do this, so we have to come back, right? They're telling us for next 3 days you're not going back home, you're working from here only, so you're staying here only. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, उनका ये काम है. They're very active when it comes to work as well, right? So when Amrinder Sarkar comes, they have told it very clearly, listen girl, whatever work you're doing, it has to be in the periphery of all your policies and all your schemes. जो भी कुछ करो वो सब पढ़ के करना, so that anybody can do the RTI. RTI डालने में किसी को टाइम नहीं लगता, और RTI में अगर कुछ गलत निकल आएगा तो वो गवर्नमेंट, हमारी गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर आएगा, किया चाहे पिछली गवर्नमेंट ने हो, राइट? कि अच्छा उस कैंपेन में कितना पैसा लगा था, अब ये वाली गवर्नमेंट आई है, हम बताते हैं इतना पैसा लगा था, वो बोलेंगे कि अच्छा जी आप तो कह रहे थे कि पैसे नहीं है फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर के पास. तो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर कहता है आई हैव जस्ट जॉइंड, मुझे नहीं पता पिछली सरकार में क्या हुआ है, आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट, राइट? सो द वर्किंग टेक्स place when you make sure each of the official of political party, those who are joining new, has a trust on you, to be very honest. Like I thought that I have worked in a campaign, I mean election campaign time with the Kalis. So the moment new sarkar will come, I might be either chuck out or I'll be in some other department to work, right? So they have just called me and they was like, we have observed your work when you was working in such sarkar. So I have told them very clearly, adamantly, sir, I work for government, I don't work for political party. So whatever you work you say, I do that in a periphery of the government only. So they say you continue your work. That's it. I make sure that I am vocal about my thoughts about it, and I have learned here only. So you just have to be clear. You just have to make sure that they trust your work and you're not cheating them.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much for that.
Any other student who would like to ask or interact with Surbhi? Yeah, Surbhi. I think they are all still in thinking mode.
Yeah, and ma'am, I'm so sorry. Just a last question, ma'am. So basically, you made it to the government or to the government office via a particular exam.
Dear, say it again. Say it again.
Yeah. Ma'am, so I just wanted to confirm, because a lot of people, I worked in MyFM and they said, the future of, media work in government is getting really bright, right? And so I just wanted to ask you, is there a particular exam you gave so that you could be a part of the media?
I did a particular exam.
Yeah.
You guys, you need to give me 1 more minute again.
Sure.
I'm in Bangalore, so what they're doing, what the apartment they have given me, right? So they have the construction going on outside. Just give me a minute.
Sure. Yes. Shubham Bish, do you have a question for Surbhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After Ankita, I think you can go ahead.
Okay. If you want to get into Government of Punjab, so just search about the PPSC website, right? So there you find they have their exams through that portal only, right? So directly departments की कभी recruitment नहीं होती है, सारी recruitment जैसे UPSC की होती है वैसे PPSC के through होती है सारी. तो just scroll it down. अगर उसमें कोई आपके पास query होंगी, right? या कोई भी openings आती हैं, they'll just get to know from the notification and from the advertisement. All the APROs, PROs, media advisors के under जो भी staff आएगा, CMO के under जो staff आएगा, you get all the notification there only. A. B. Any of the contractual employee. I was a contractual employee. I was hired through the department only, right? So the department gave the advertisement in newspaper, right? I didn't apply for it, to be very honest. I didn't apply for it. My friend applied it for me from my side. And one day before, she told me, you have to go for this exam. And honestly speaking, my state of mind is like this, यार इसमें मेरा नहीं होगा, ये सरकारी है, सरकारी में सिफारिशें चलती हैं, to be very honest, right? Go meet people, talk, right? And just give your best. That's what I want from you. She told me this. And I was like, are you sure? I can just meet bureaucrats. Whatsoever happens, at least you will see, you have meet such bunch of bureaucrats and you have such good experience with them, because the kind of question they shoot up to you, you need to think before you speak each word, right? So I was like, okay. So I told them, okay, first is your written exam. They said, it's okay, you just do your written exam. I was like, okay, there was 150 candidates for that. I did my written, whatever I'm going for it, either through my friend or from my family, I make sure that I'm giving my 110%, although I haven't applied myself for that, right? I gave my written exam, I went through it. There was 50 people, those who were shortlisted for the interview. There were 6 rounds for the interview as well. First is the director, deputy director, then you have the secretary level, then you have another bunch of panel of IS people. So when they have to hire such person, I mean, there were 2 posts of media manager that time, right? They hired one only, that is me. So, and I wasn't sure. I know that, my interview went well, but I told my friend, बहुत सिफारिशें थी, मेरे को सबकी शक्लों से पता लग रहा था. I was nervous, honestly. When there was a lot of interviews, each time I was nervous. I told them I did my best, but बहुत सिफारिशें थी, मेरा नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि वो मुझसे ज़्यादा confident लग रहे थे. Like, it's okay, you had a good experience. I was like, yeah, talking to bureaucrats, you learn a lot. So I give again. So after 1 week, I got a call that, you're being hired. So I asked them, okay, who the other person, because you have the 2 vacancies. And we just had 1 person, and that is you. And you're going to handle the Punjab and from Delhi as well. So I say, am I getting double paid for it? They say, no, you're getting the single pay for only. So that it happens to me. So I just give my best.
Right. Thank you so much. And for the central government, we have to go to the central government website for the
PPSC, Punjab Public Services Commission.
Acha. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Shubham Bish, we can have your question and your identity too, please. Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and identity too. You can switch on your camera, so that Surbhi knows who is she talking to, replying to. Otherwise, it's very difficult. It becomes too random to, talk to people. Yeah, Shubham.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, Shubham.
My question was same as Ankita asked. I have been regularly visiting the official DIPRO websites and the newspaper mediums for the direct recruitments into the PR office. But I haven't seen such recruitment, all the notifications there. What are the various modes of entering into the PR department?
Just went through PPSC website, that's it. Any of the recruitment, If you're talking about government recruitment, it will be held through PPSC, right? In Haryana, you have your HSBC something website, Haryana Public Services Commission website, जिनके through आपके जितने भी PROs, APROs की सारी admissions होती है, ठीक है, right? So these are the two for the government I am talking about, state government. Okay, if you want to go for Chandigarh administration, so Chandigarh administration get hiring from this UPSC website. Okay, so these are 3 websites. You just need to follow them.
And my second question was, ma'am, how secure is our role into the PR department? मतलब हमारा जो career है वो कितना secure है PR department में?
हाँ. Okay. अगर आपकी regular job लगती है, so you have the 3 years of provision period first, right? On the basic salary. So the basic salaries count like 18,000 per month, right? After that, you will get your 50,000, 60,000, whatsoever it is. Job secure hai, either it's Haryana or Punjab, but which district you will get, if you're talking about Punjab, you don't know that if Ankita will go to Fatehgarh Sahib or Patiala or Pathankot, anywhere, right? आपको वो कहीं पे भी shift कर सकते हैं, you can't say no. Either you have a family or whatsoever it is, you have to go.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, and in Haryana as well, if they shift you to Sirsa, you can't say no.
The government job, no, you can't say no.
You can't say no.
Yeah. Any other student? Any other? Okay, Surbhi, like we've been talking about the government sector. First of all, it's very overwhelming for me to hear, because to you after 2012 and to a student that you actually taught, so it becomes like, oh my god, she has a lot of experience now.
I don't know, I told you, ma'am, कि मैं इतना बोल भी पाऊंगी, but there's a lot of to tell as well, right?
Yes. No, experience talks a lot about it, Surbhi. Yeah. Your work. So कभी ऐसा हुआ कि मतलब government के साथ, like there's always कि at times you felt like कि क्या कर रहे हैं, what is something that we are doing, why we are doing something which we do not like to, probably we don't believe in the ideologies, but
obviously that happens with everyone, ma'am. To be very honest, when I was working with government of Punjab, I stopped my learning, to be very honest, right? मतलब एक जगह पे आप रुक जाते हो, आपकी learning बंद हो जाती है. तो मैंने क्या किया कि what option I have here in my office, right? I started that. I know Punjabi writing, reading and everything, right? I have asked my colleagues, those who are translating and typing in Punjabi, yeah, please थोड़ा सा time निकाल के मुझे Punjabi type सिखा देना. They were like, okay. I started doing that Punjabi typing, right? I have learned that. A. B, then, I make sure that, the presence of social media in government of Punjab. I told the government officials that this is my proposal. You tell them verbally, they say, okay, right? But then you have to put down in a notification and everything, noting में. अब पेपर पे अगर साइन नहीं हुआ तो वो कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो सरकार में ये बहुत है, जब तक पेपर पे कुछ साइन नहीं हुआ तो आप ऑर्डर भी अगर दे रहे हो ना कि अच्छा आपको सर ने ऑर्डर दिया था, उस डिपार्टमेंट में जाके करो, where is your orders? You don't have orders, right? So why you went there? Either you work through the orders, or you know that you're working and nobody is going to question you for that, right? Yes. So in government of Punjab, when I thought that the learning has stopped and I am doing the same work each year, right? So then only I started to search more options for that, and then I landed here in Chandigarh administration, right? They were looking for a person who can manage their PR as well. After that, when I went to Chandigarh administration, I got a very shock. Sir, how are you?
Oh, acha. Good, Surbhi. Carry on.
So when I started with this Chandigarh administration, there was no social media presence, right? So I made sure, when you are in PR and in Chandigarh administration coming under the center government, you don't have a social media presence, right? So I make sure that the social media presence is there. After 2 years of working in the same scenario, right? When you're just doing the press note, you're meeting people and you're just doing the same stuff every time. Again, it stopped the learning of mine, right? So I looking for the options again, and it happened like I went for a conclave online, and it was for the entrepreneur and everything, right? So I was talking about my experience in government. So it just happened like that, the new job of mine. So the people just approached me after the conclave. They were like, you know what, it's a startup though, and we want you to hire for us and working for Punjab and Haryana just because you have a experience in media and the people and the thought of that, right? So I said, I'll think about it. So then I just landed after a couple of interviews, you know, the background check and everything. So I'm now working. I don't know if the guys are aware of that or not. I hope you heard about the Poo app.
They are actually.
Okay. So people says in Punjab when I say, okay, I'm right now my pilot project is Poo. So they'll say, okay, you're the competitor to Twitter. So I was like, no, it's not a competitor to Twitter. It's a homemade app, and it's a micro blogging app, right? So we are just, they just established 2 years before only, and they're still growing. They are planning to launch Poo Punjabi in Punjabi, right? So just download it, type, just scroll it, you get to know about it. So it's about languages in India. We are promoting the languages in India. For example, if I am typing something in English, right, and the person doesn't know English, right, there's a tab, Hindi, Punjabi, there's no Punjabi right now, Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, Gujarati and everything. The person tap on Gujarati, he'll get the message in Gujarati, the same one, right? This is how we are just promoting the regional languages and to connect with the community and to connect with the rural people right now. So right now, what my challenge is, just because, to be very honest, if I talk about पीएम सर ने बोला कि ये ऐप मेड इन इंडिया है और सब लोगों को इसे यूज करना चाहिए मेक इन इंडिया में, राइट? सो अब व्हेन आई टॉक टू पीपल इन पंजाब अबाउट दिस ऐप, दे वर लाइक ये तो बीजेपी की ऐप है. सो व्हेन आई से हाउ सर, टेल मी, द पीएम इज नॉट ऑन द ऐप राइट नाउ, right? I got some of few politicians on this app from SAD, from Congress, from here. The day I have joined here, right? It's been 20 days right now. Most probably हो जाएंगे, ठीक है? तो उनका क्या चल रहा है कि आई सेड कैसे सर, मुझे बताओ ये कैसे बीजेपी की ऐप है? जस्ट बिकॉज गलती से उन्होंने बोल दिया मन की बात में कि आप लोग इन्हें डाउनलोड करो, इट डजंट मीन कि वो उनकी ऐप है. इट्स अ वेरी स्टैंड अलोन ऐप, made in India app, right? We are promoting the languages, we are promoting India, we are promoting the unity and diversity, and we are promoting that people should come together and talk about anything and everything, right? Just because you never know, you know, some people are sitting outside of India and they're not following the IT rules of India, right? Any day it can be blocked in India, right? I'm not saying that my app is the I mean, what will say? आप Twitter की जगह ले लोगे, we can't take that, right? They have a lot of 340 million viewers in that and the people in that. But India में अगर उनके अभी 17 million people are followers in India, we have 14 million right now. So we are growing, and we are growing really fast. And this is what I like about it. I am working on that, and I'm still learning. You know, this is a new learning again. It's a new challenge, because if people say कि farmers तो बीजेपी क्यों नहीं मानते, हमारी तो सरकार ही अलग है. You need to make sure that you conveying your message to the people, right, very thoughtfully, and you telling them, sir, this is not this, it has to be like that. We are not promoting it, we are just making sure that the people of Punjab or the people of India, the people of Gujarat, Bengal, everywhere, they are just making sure that, you know, you have your own community talks with them. So still I'm learning and I'm growing, ma'am.
No, even I am learning, Surbhi. It goes lifelong. So Surbhi, which is more stressful, private or public sector?
Both, ma'am.
I know.
If you work, both is stressful for you. If you are just earning and you're not learning, nothing is stressful.
Absolutely. Tanishka, you wanted to ask something, or just by chance you raised your hand?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, here I have a question. Have you ever, you know, got any feeling that you wanted to do something else and you got into PR?
Something else like what? Apart from PR?
Yes, this is what she meant. Like, if you apart from PR, you wanted to be. No, I think Surbhi always wanted to be into PR.
I always wanted to be in PR, ma'am. I was very clear about it that I always wanted to be in PR, and there's a lot of sections in PR. You're still discovering that, and I'm still learning with that too. You have client servicing, you have media, you have production, you have so many things in PR to do that, right? So I think ma'am knows about it. When we had class, I told them, I am interested in going in PR only.
Yes, I remember that, Surbhi. मुझे तो ऐसे भी जाना है.
So I think I one day make sure that I'm making ma'am proud of me as well.
I am, Surbhi. I am actually.
Thank you.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Any other student who would like to ask something to Surbhi? Okay. So Surbhi, yeah, Ankita, you want to?
No.
Okay. All set. So Surbhi, I think we'll wind up a session, not taking much of time, but thank you so much that you've taken
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
precious time. I know you've been adjusting to Bangalore, adjusting to a new job.
I'm just coming back again. I came back to Chandigarh like 2 or 3 days before as well for some paperwork, the background check and that in Chandigarh administration. I came back again, so I'll be back by like tomorrow. I hopefully, yeah.
Right. Was Dipti Trigotra? They were working along with it. Swati and Dipti.
Swati is there.
Yeah, Swati Thakur.
Yeah, Swati is there.
She's still there. Yeah. Right. So thank you, Surbhi.
You're welcome, ma'am. It was a nice session, and we weren't that much vocal when we were students, no, ma'am?
Yes. No, you would see, vocal is like your profession speaks now, your experience speaks. But earlier also we used to, I remember what I used to call you.
I know.
We'll talk that later.
So I'll catch you soon, yeah.
Sure. We'll do that, Surbhi. But thank you. I think it was a really
Thank you, everyone.
Right, students, I think might have learned a lot about the government sector. Though we keep, I keep from my side, I'm indulgent to our students to know more. So, but it's always good to hear from the people who's already worked into that particular thing, right? So, God bless Surbhi. Thank you for joining us, and we'll catch up.
Thank you, ma'am.
To Bangalore back
soon.
Right?
Definitely. Thank you. Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye.